Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mercedes GLE 350. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off. Turn the ignition to the off position and remove the key if applicable. Wait for at least 30 seconds to allow all systems to power down fully. Then, reinsert the key and restart your car. This basic reset often resolves minor electronic issues and can be a great first step for troubleshooting. If your infotainment screen is frozen or unresponsive, a system reset is often the solution. Locate the power button for your infotainment system, usually near the volume knob. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds. The screen will go blank and then restart, which should clear most software glitches. This is a safe and effective way to refresh your display. To reset your service light after maintenance, turn the ignition to position 2 without starting the engine. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate to the service menu on your instrument cluster. Scroll down to Assist Plus and then select Full Service. Confirm the reset when prompted. This will clear the service reminder until your next scheduled maintenance interval. For more complex issues, always consult your Mercedes GLE 350 Owner's Manual for model-specific instructions. Sometimes, disconnecting the car battery for 15 minutes can perform a deeper system reset, but be aware this might reset other settings. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, as well as other helpful deals. These tips should help you keep your Mercedes running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.